Golden Foods Against Leg Cramps. After 60, Part 1, Introduction, and Food Number 1, Bananas. Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night with your calf muscle tightening so painfully that you broke out in a cold sweat? Nighttime leg cramps are one of the biggest enemies of restful sleep after the age of 60. But here's the surprising truth. Beyond supplements, the foods you eat every day may decide whether your muscles can truly relax or not. There are simple, inexpensive foods that act like golden weapons to fight cramps naturally. Welcome to Graceful Aging Senior, the channel where we share natural health secrets to help you sleep better, move more easily, and enjoy life fully after 60. Don't forget to subscribe now so you won't miss our upcoming videos filled with practical tips. The first golden food is bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, a key mineral that balances electrolytes and keeps your muscles working smoothly. A Harvard University study found that people who consumed enough potassium daily lowered their risk of leg cramps by up to 40% compared to those who were deficient. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which supports the nervous system and helps signals from the brain reach your muscles more effectively. How should you eat them? Simply enjoy one banana in the morning or evening, or blend it into a smoothie with low-fat milk. For seniors with diabetes, half a banana with unsweetened yogurt is a safer choice to avoid spikes in blood sugar. Small habits like this can stabilize electrolytes and prevent cramps during the night. Part 2. Foods number 2 and number 3. Avocados and spinach. The second golden food is avocados. Like bananas, avocados are high in potassium, but they also provide magnesium, often called the relaxation mineral. Magnesium helps muscle fibers contract and release properly, preventing long, painful spasms. On top of that, the healthy fats in avocados improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like D and E, which are crucial for muscle and bone health. Half an avocado a day is the perfect portion for older adults. Next is spinach. This leafy green is a natural treasure chest of magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Spinach is easy to prepare. You can steam it, stir-fry it, add it to soups, or blend it into smoothies. A University of California study found that people who ate at least 4 servings of leafy greens each week reduced their risk of leg cramps by 33% compared to those who ate fewer vegetables. For seniors who have difficulty chewing, spinach can be cooked soft or blended into soups to make it easier to eat without losing nutrition. If you find this information helpful, please subscribe to the channel and share the video so more seniors can learn how to prevent cramps naturally. Part 3. Foods number 4 and number 5. Salmon and walnuts plus conclusion. The fourth golden food is salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation. When blood flows smoothly, muscles receive more oxygen and minerals, making them less likely to spasm at night. Salmon also provides high-quality protein, which helps muscles recover and stay strong. Research from the University of Oslo in Norway found that people who ate fatty fish like salmon at least twice a week had significantly fewer cramps than those who didn't. The fifth golden food is walnuts. Walnuts are packed with magnesium, calcium, and omega-3s, making them an excellent snack for muscle health. A small handful, about 30 grams, each day is enough to support muscle relaxation. For seniors with weaker digestion, walnuts can be ground and added to porridge or yogurt for easier absorption. To recap, the 5 golden foods against leg cramps after 60 are bananas, avocados, spinach, salmon, and walnuts. These are everyday foods that are easy to buy, simple to prepare, and can be added to any meal plan. In the next video, I'll show you how to combine these foods in your daily meals to double their benefits, keeping you satisfied while protecting you from painful nighttime cramps. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss it. Dear friends, leg cramps are not just a simple muscle spasm. They are a warning sign that the body is running low on essential minerals or experiencing circulation problems. After the age of 60, these cramps appear more frequently because our bodies change significantly. Muscle mass decreases, blood vessels lose elasticity, and the nervous system is less responsive than before. Without paying attention to diet and proper nutrition, cramps will become more frequent and directly disrupt sleep and overall quality of life. Researchers at Harvard University have shown that even a 10 to 15% deficiency in daily potassium intake can make muscles much more likely to cramp at night. Meanwhile, a study at the Mayo Clinic in the United States found that more than 60% of people over 60 who suffer frequent cramps had diets low in vegetables, fruits, and nuts. This clearly proves that food is the most effective natural medicine. Beyond the 5 golden foods already mentioned, bananas, avocados, spinach, salmon, and walnuts, you can add several other options to diversify your meals and further prevent cramps. The first is low-fat yogurt. This is an excellent source of calcium and also contains probiotics that keep the digestive tract healthy. When digestion is strong, the absorption of minerals like magnesium and potassium also improves. For seniors, a small cup of yogurt each day supports both digestion and muscle health. The second is sweet potatoes. This familiar root vegetable is high in potassium, almost as much as bananas. A medium sweet potato provides 400 to 500 milligrams of potassium. They are easy to prepare, steamed, roasted, or cooked in soup. Eating sweet potatoes at dinner helps keep the stomach light, improves sleep, and reduces the risk of nighttime cramps. The third is pumpkin seeds. Known as a natural reservoir of magnesium, just a small handful of 30 grams in the evening can provide nearly 40% of daily magnesium needs. Magnesium is the relaxation mineral, allowing muscle fibers to contract and release properly. If chewing is difficult, pumpkin seeds can be ground and added to porridge or yogurt. A useful tip is to combine these golden foods into light evening meals. For example, a piece of pan-seared salmon with sautéed spinach and garlic, or a bowl of oatmeal topped with walnuts and banana slices, or simply a smoothie of avocado and low-fat yogurt. These meals are delicious, easy to digest, and supply potassium, magnesium, and calcium, the trio of minerals crucial for relaxing muscles overnight. Besides nutrition, several small bedtime habits can reduce cramps dramatically. Drink a glass of warm water before bed to prevent dehydration during the night. Spend 2 to 3 minutes stretching the calf muscles and rotating the ankles. And for those whose feet get cold easily, wearing light socks while sleeping improves blood flow and prevents sudden cramps. To illustrate, let me share the story of Margaret, a 68-year-old from California. She often woke up at night with severe cramps, sometimes needing to walk around the house to ease the pain. After consulting a nutritionist, she added bananas, spinach, and salmon to her weekly meals and built a bedtime habit of drinking warm water and stretching. Within just 3 weeks, the frequency of her cramps dropped significantly, and she enjoyed deeper, longer sleep. This real-life case shows that small dietary and lifestyle changes can bring a big difference. In conclusion, leg cramps after 60 are not an unavoidable fate. By choosing the right golden foods, bananas, avocados, spinach, salmon, and walnuts, and adding yogurt, sweet potatoes, pumpkin seeds, along with simple habits like stretching and hydration, you can control these painful episodes naturally. Remember, healthy muscles and restful sleep depend largely on what you eat every day. So if you found these golden foods and tips helpful, don't keep them to yourself. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family over 60, and subscribe to Graceful Aging Senior for more natural health secrets. And tell me in the comments, which food do you eat most often? Bananas, avocados, spinach, salmon, or walnuts? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay healthy, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.